Hi all, I am going to have a session on lithium ion battery. First, discuss about what is meant by the term battery. Battery is a combination of two or more cells joined in a series fashion to get a higher output voltage. And thus batteries can be classified into generally the two categories. The first one is primary battery and the second one is secondary battery. And what is primary battery? Primary battery can be in single use, they cannot be recharged again and again, whereas in the case of secondary battery can be recharged again and again and used. The first prototype of lithium ion battery was developed by Akira Yoshino in the year 1985. Later on, number of studies based on lithium-ion battery. In the year 2019, the Nobel Prize given to Akira Yoshino, John Goodenough, and Stanley Whittingham in the year 2019. Lithium-ion battery is a type of rechargeable battery or secondary battery. It consists of four main components, and the first one is cathode. Second component, anode. Third component is electrolyte. And the fourth component is a separator. The cathode is mainly metal oxides, that means for example a lithium lithium incorporated or inserted cobalt oxide, metal oxide, and the anode is a graphite electrode or lithium intercalated graphite electrode. General representation LiXC, C represents graphite, and the third component is an electrolyte. Electrolyte means lithium salt is dissolved in organic solvents like dimethyl carbonate or any other organic solvents. Lithium salts dissolved in organic solvents. Lithium ion battery must have a separator, and the separator is in commercial lithium ion battery, the separator is a polyolefins. The main important advantage of the separator is exhibit good mechanical property, chemical stability, and storage life. Lithium ion battery is a type of rechargeable battery, and the working principle of the rechargeable batteries, this is the anode, this is cathode. The anode is lithium intercalated graphite electrode, and the cathode is lithium inserted cobalt oxide is cathode. Then both electrodes are connected to a voltmeter, and this is the separator. Both the electrodes are separated by a separator, mainly based on polyolefins. During discharging process, the electrode reactions are at anode. The lithium ions during discharging process, the lithium ions moves from anode to cathode. This is discharging, and the recharging process, the lithium ions moves from cathode to anode. At anode, the discharging the reactions. This is lithium intercalated graphite is the anode. Plus graphite, this is graphite. This reaction is called de-intercalation reaction. Then at cathode is lithium incorporated cobalt oxide, and this is the general representation Li1 minus X, except the electron plus X Li plus CO2. This is the electrode reaction in the discharging process, and when recharging, the reaction takes place in the reverse order. That is, from the lithium ions moves from cathode to anode. The important advantages of lithium ion battery. Lithium ion battery is much lighter and produce higher voltage, and they can be transformed into any size and any shape, and the storage life of lithium ion battery is very high. And the important applications of a lithium ion batteries, they can be used in portable devices like mobile phones and cameras, laptops, etc. And they are used in military applications and medicinal applications, then aerospace applications, etc. Thank you.